do best course in UK?
See, the first we can say MBA. The students who willing to study MBA in UK, they must have 2 years experience. With the experience, if they choose any university, that will be great. Now, in MBA particularly, there are two varieties. One is IB, one is global. MBA global, they can say, or MBA IB, they can say. There is nothing much difference between global and IB. So both are both same only. Depending on the institution, the name will be varying. Yes. And the which university offering like offering the admission for the students who have 2 years experience, those university, the students, if they select, that's a good to them. It is not advisable for fresher MBA.
Okay. Oh, so there are few universities which applies, which gives admission for students without experience,
Of course,
but
yes.
it is not advisable.
Yes, it's not advisable for only MBA program. So we can advise them for that
Okay.
particular student for MSc IB or MSc Global or MSc International Business or MSc Business Management. It's advisable for them.
Okay. Next question is, what type of scholarship is applicable for MBA? The same, like
See, for a management program, there are two kinds of scholarships. One is vice chancellor scholarships. One is management scholarships. Okay, apart from academic one. See, generally, students gaining scholarship from the university. First step is academic. They need to have first class degree. Example, if the students like example, the University of Northampton is providing £5,000 scholarship for the student basically who have got 60% in their bachelor. If the student have got 55%, those people also will eligible for scholarship, but not for £5,000. No, it will be reduced into become £3,000. It will be very like that. Basically, we don't promote private universities, only public government public funded university we can. There are, like each university for each program specialized. Example, if you go for, MBA, then, there's a moderate university called Portsmouth, Kingston, Brunel. These are the universities for, management field. Like the particular students go for the pipeline engineering or aircraft or aeronautical engineering or completely engineering background, they can choose Newcastle, Glasgow, those like those university, most of the university located in the Scotland, near to Scotland only. There are hundreds of universities available in Scotland for engineering program. For management program, they can try all the university, they can try for management program. For example, Brunel or Birmingham City, Birmingham, Liverpool, Manchester, Kingston, Queen's Mary, University of Belfast. These are university particularly good for the management program. As coming to the pharmaceutical science, then you need to go for Liverpool, University of York, and University of Dundee. These are the university particularly for pharmaceutical branch. For University of Northampton and University of UCLan. Those two university, the whoever having above 60% in their graduation, the University of UCLan and University of Northampton, they are providing almost 40% scholarship for the every student, only for MSc Computer Science program and MBA program with the placement program. The complete fees will be for 2 years only 8.5 lakhs Indian rupee for 2 years. This is a cost very cheapest in UK. But the university rank, if you take, it's a high, good rank universities. Both the university. The University of Northampton is located, it's like 50 miles away from the London, and the University of UCLan, it's like almost 150 miles from London. Now, at present, these two universities only offering very good scholarships. Apart from like if you want to go for Leicester and Kingston, also you are expecting up to £6,000 scholarship. The same time, the fees also too high. Variety of scholarships, international scholarships, mechanical scholarship, engineering scholarship, management scholarship, vice chancellor scholarship, academic based scholarship. So you need to pick any one scholarship. For example, students going for engineering program, you need to go for engineering scholarship. That if the students going for management program, if that particularly that management program is not available in the university, you need to try for vice chancellor scholarship. So that scholarship will eligible, up to 50% from the fees. But once that the students eligible for that particular scholarship, example vice chancellor or engineering or management scholarship, then he'll not eligible for academic scholarship. Either this or either that.
Is there any opportunity to study in Ireland? I'm 36 now. He wants to pursue his MBA in finance.
Fine.
Is there any opportunity?
Of course, see, for management, if the student who wants to study management program, they can study till 45 years.